What's up, everybody? So it is Tuesday, May 19th. It is 12:46 p.m. and I'm in my new apartment. I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour now. As you can hear, it's echoey because I'm in an empty apartment. So let's just get into it so that I can start cleaning this place. And yeah. So I'm at my front door right now. So when you walk in, you have my alarm system and the hall light. To your immediate left, you have a closet, a coat closet, and some storage at the top. Then the first thing you will see is the living room. So this is my living room. I was setting up my Wi-Fi. But this is the living room. It has a ceiling fan. When you're in the South, you want ceiling fans, as my boss would say, in every room possible. So very happy about that. But this is the living room. And it has a sliding door out to my balcony. Sorry, I keep forgetting I'm locking this every time. And as you can hear, the alarm system works, okay? The screen and my balcony. And then that's just a storage closet for the balcony. Ooh, it got cool out. So that is that. If you turn around from the balcony door, you're still obviously in the living room. And then you have the dining room over here. Let's turn this light on. So here we have my dining room area, space, whatever. I don't usually put a dining room table in my apartments. In my last apartment, there wasn't really space for one. So yeah, but now I have like designated space for it. So I don't know if I'm going to put a dining room table there or make it like my office area or what. I'm not sure yet, haven't decided yet, but we have the option. So then I'm walking over to the far wall and you have my kitchen. So here's my island. Sorry about the mess. It's just stuff that I brought into the apartment today, like my cleaning stuff. So have my island, my valet trash, and it's a standard kitchen, you know. I have a lot of cabinet space, have all that cabinet space, have all this cabinet space, have more cabinet space. So I have my dishwasher, I have 2 sinks, my stove, my oven, my microwave, and my fridge and freezer. One thing I really like about the apartment is the backlight. So that turns it on and off. And then you can also turn it up, turn it down, you know, adjust it to where you need it to be. And then you're back to the dining room. So now we're going to walk into the hallway. So in the hallway, you have a closet right here. It's a linen closet. Keep towels and things like that. I love having a lot of storage. Have a mechanical closet, which you need a key to open. Don't need to go in there. Right here, we have the laundry room with my washer and dryer, and then some more storage at the top, and then some space. So if I want to have like a laundry basket in here or whatever, just have space. Things don't feel, you know, crowded. Then in here you have my bathroom. So this is the mirror, a good sized mirror. The lighting is pretty good, I will say. My skin looks good. My sink, one of the first things I tested was water pressure. So very happy with the water pressure. Toilet, make sure that when you move in, you move into a new apartment, you get a new toilet seat. They can say they wash that. You can wash it a million times, but wouldn't you rather just have a brand new one? So brand new toilet seat. Yeah, nothing like too crazy about the shower. it's a shower. Everything will be cleaned, will be re-cleaned. And then, you know, under here, when you move in, you definitely want to make sure you check in all of your cabinets, make sure that there's no bugs or anything like that, because that's gross. And then you walk into the bedroom. Please ignore all of the stuff. I had to empty my storage unit out, and the place that I was staying, empty that out. So like, there's just stuff. So I'm in my doorway. Oh, that's a closet. Fan, okay. I'm in my doorway. I have a ceiling fan, and this is the room. It is carpeted with a nice neutral color. It's not too like pukey. It's not a pukey color or anything like that. So I'm happy about that. So that's the door to the balcony. And then I really like this window. And as you can see, it's kind of, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a nook. So if I want to, I can put a desk here or my vanity here, and then I'll have direct sunlight. And I like to use natural light anyway when filming, so this might actually be a great area. And then the backdrop would be, you know, closet doors or whatever, which isn't that important. But I'm also trying to figure out where I would film, where I want to sit down and film. So this is a good contender because of the amount of light that I would get. Oh, I might as well show you guys the view from this door for the patio. It's a tight lock, but you know, doable. And then to the balcony. So going over to my closet, go ahead and turn the light on for the closet. And this is my walk-in closet. I've never had a walk-in closet before, so I'm very excited to have one. A lot of shelving, 3 shelves are up. I might end up putting like a dresser in here because I want to keep my bedroom as like empty as humanly possible. So in here, I would really like to only have like my bed, 2 nightstands or 2 end tables, my vanity, and a chair and a mirror. So yeah, if I do feel like I need a dresser or a chest or something for extra storage in the room, I'm gonna try to keep it in here. But yeah, guys, so that's the apartment. That's all I have to show you. It is 800 square feet, and I'm very, very happy about it. I really love my apartment. As you can see, I have a Nest, which is, if you're not aware, it's the HVAC system for the apartment. So I like that. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys like my apartment. I love it. I think it's perfect amount of space for me. Very, very happy. So I will talk to you guys later.